What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice. I'm back with another video for you. Today's video is basically for beginners. Alright, on my elite waivers, you can watch this video, but this video really doesn't inform you because you already know this. Alright, the title of the video is "Do This If You Want Waves Fast," and what I'm going to be talking about today is the washing style. I know I talk about that a lot. I know I say that's the secret to getting waves, but it really is. Alright, when your hair is at a wet stage, it's easier to handle, easier to form, easier to move forks, easier to do whatever you want when your hair is wet. It depends on how long you do your washing styles. When you do your washing styles, I advise all my beginners to washing style twice a week. When you do your washing style, don't just do them for 15 minutes. Go for about 30 minutes. You wash your hair and everything, brush for about 20 minutes. You know, just really going, because that's when your waves form the quickest. Alright, it's not about brushing while your hair is dry or while you're moisturizing. That's not gonna help you with a quick process to getting waves. If you want waves in 1 month, 2 months, do washing styles twice a week, at least 30 minutes to 40 minutes a day. I mean, not a day, but a session, just brushing and brushing and brushing. What that does is it lays your hair down. The washing style lays your hair down. But when your hair is at that stage, it's so easy, it's much easier to curl up, that it's gonna lay your hair down and you'll start seeing ripples in about a week or two. So yeah, guys, without further ado, let's get right into this video. Alright, y'all, so I'm screen recording my my channel right here. So I'm gonna choose the video that I'm gonna show. Alright, I'm not doing a washing style, so I'm just gonna pick a video. Let me start that over and just show you guys what I mean. Alright, so first, what I definitely do is I comb out my hair, basically, because I'm wolfing right here. Alright, hold up, y'all, give me a sec. Alright, let's get it. It was a couple of stuff in the back I had to move, but I comb out my hair because I'm wolfing. I want to detangle all the hair I can. And another reason why I comb out my hair is because when you're wolfing, you have a lot of dead hairs, okay? A lot, I'm telling you. So if you comb your hair once a week, you see a lot of dead. If you go 2 weeks without combing your hair while you're wolfing, you see a lot of dead hair, okay? That, what the comb does, it gets rid of the dead hair, actually takes the moisture from the scalp and brings it up to the tip of the hair. So it's really good for moisturizing, really good for getting rid of dead hairs, really good for lifting the hair up. What else is combing good for? Combing is good for detangling your hair. Like, it's just good overall, okay? But combing will not get you waves. That's one thing it's not gonna do. It's gonna help you waves, but it's not gonna get you waves. So yeah, after the combing, right? So first thing I do right here is I just apply the shampoo, and then the first wash is not gonna lather up because there is a lot of products in my hair. All right, so the first time around, it's not gonna lather up because it's like battling the products that's in your hair. It's getting rid of them. Now the second time, when you do apply the shampoo, it's definitely going to lather up even better because now you have no products in your hair. Your hair is dry, and boom. You could even go a third time with the shampoo if you want. If you want to just, you know, get rid of all the products, but 2 times is really good. So now I take the detangling shower brush. Basically, it's doing what the comb does. It detangles your hair, and it just evens out the shampoo throughout the hair like a regular brush would do. But detangling shower brush is way better because it really goes deep down into the scalp and it massages your scalp, detangles your hair. Now when I start off with my crown because like I feel like it's better to start off with your crown and then go down to the rest of your hair. So right here, I'm just going the same way that my crown goes, and I'm really trying to lay down my hair. So it's easier to lay down your hair when you have shampoo in your hair because it's just like, it's so soft and it's easy to just, like I said in the beginning of the video, when your hair is wet, it's much easier to handle. So my crown is laid down right here. Then I move on to the rest of my hair. Now the goal is right here is to just get the perfect pattern. Now that's when I was trying to break my forks, and breaking your forks will be much easier in this stage right here when you're washing your hair. So I vertical brushed that so I could get rid of the forks, shift my hair to the way I want it to, and just get my pattern the way it's supposed to be. So right here, I'm just vertical brushing. All right. Then I switch to the other side. The other side don't really need that much work, so I don't spend as much time on my left side than I do on my right side. Cause my left side is basically, you know, it's okay. It's not perfect, but it's okay. It's way better than my right side. So I just work on my right side more because I need more work on that. So this is the most important part of the whole process right here, the brush. Okay, this is what you need to spend time on if you want to get your waves to come in super quick. Alright, this is gonna definitely lay your hair down. After you do this, you put your do-rag on, you rinse it out. It's definitely gonna lay your hair down. But what you will need to do is spend at least 20 minutes brushing with the shampoo in your hair right there. Alright, at least 20 minutes, man, because you really need your waves to come in. If you really want your waves to come in, that session right there is very important. Alright, now y'all see. I mean, I'm cutting through, but I spent a long time on my washing style. I spent at least an hour and a half, man. If I'm making a video, I spend at least 2 hours because I gotta stop and everything, hit record. It takes so long. That's why I don't do washing styles often. I do them like once a month because it's so long, you know. If I want to do a washing style, I gotta wake up at least 6 in the morning, record about 2 hours, then I gotta wait for my hair to dry 2-3 hours, and I gotta record that to show the results. Then, you know, it's a lot, man. But it basically takes me a whole day to record and edit and upload on washing style. Usually when I do my washing styles, I upload the next day. But this part right here, guys, is also important. This is part of the lay down process. So what you will do right here is after you finish with the 20-minute brush session, you take some water, put some water in your palm, and then you just go over your head. What that's doing is really laying down your hair. And when your hair is wet, once it lays down, it stays in that position. All right, it doesn't really move as much, but when it's like glue, kind of. So when you go over your hair like that and you're really trying to lay it down, it's like glue to your scalp. But you gotta do it real quick because the glue lasts only like 5 seconds. So after you do that, you put your do-rag on real quick. And what I like to do is I like to rinse out my hair. I rinse it out with cold water to reduce frizz. If you rinse it out with warm water, your scalp, your pores are gonna stay open, and it might frizz up a little bit, all right? Because warm water frizzes up your hair. So now I double compress. But let me finish what I was saying. So cold water reduces frizz, warm water, you know, frizzes up your hair. And also cold water closes up the pores, warm water opens up the pores. So right here, I double compress because I was wolfing and I really want that lay down to be, you know, amazing. So that's why I double compress. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna rinse out my hair with cold water. Usually when I hop in the shower, I rinse my hair out with warm water, but cold water would do. And right here, this is just the next day because I had to wake up and then, you know, it's a long process, guys. So right here, I'm just gonna unrag and show you guys the results. Then I'll talk too much. Hurry up, man. Stop talking. Alright, so right here is just the result of the washing style. So I added oil only, because I didn't want my hair to look super dry because I went to sleep, you feel me? So I added a little bit of oil, and this is the final result of the washing style. Now, if you don't have waves, if you're just a beginner, you're not gonna get these results because this takes a long time, you know, to get to. But if you're a beginner and you do washing styles twice a week for 30 minutes, you know, 30-40 minutes, and you really brush and really do what I'm telling you to do in this video, you will see ripples super laid just like this. And if you keep up that process, your ripples are gonna turn to waves, and then that's when you're gonna have to work on your connection methods and everything. You know, I got connections. I got 8-angle brush breakdowns on how to brush your hair and everything. So that's gonna take care of that. Your angle is gonna play a big part in getting your connections right, and then crown isolation methods, that's gonna work right. But the washing styles will get you through the process with ease, man. I'm telling you. And this is the process of the washing style. All my forks are almost gone, but that was my last wolf session. I'm going on another wolf session, and yeah, I'm gonna end it right here. Alright, y'all, so right before we end this video, I wanna show you guys something. I want you guys to go watch. Alright, screen recorder just started. Yesterday, well last night, me and my girlfriend, we uploaded a video on our channel. If you guys not already subscribed to my second channel, go do that, man. What you doing? All right, so it was, I called my girlfriend another girl's name. That video was crazy, man. Like, I'm wearing the same shirt because it's early in the morning right now. All right, I just woke up, changed my do-rag because I don't go to sleep with my velvet do-rags. In this video, looks like I got my velvet do-rag on. You know, I go to sleep with my non-velvet do-rag on. So yeah, it's early in the morning. Obviously I didn't shower yet. I'm gonna shower. I just don't take it too far, guys. But just go watch the video. I'm gonna have the link down in the description to my second channel. You know, do me a favor and go watch, subscribe, and she just texted me. Go watch, and yeah, subscribe, like, comment, tell me what you think, and yeah, enjoy the video. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, if this video was helpful, please make sure you leave a like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for your boy. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.